Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you an app that's name is Caesium, and it's your batch image compression tool, great for photos and YouTube thumbnails. So how you can simply download it? Very simple. You have to open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for Caesium. Download, and then you're going to get the Caesium image compressor. So if you click on this one, you can simply click on download, and Windows 10 built-in or later, or you can simply download it for the Windows 10 or any of your operating system, and you can simply click on the download option, click on the download, and it will take a couple of seconds to complete. And then you can simply click on the folder icon, click on it 2 times to install. There will be a permission, click yes, and simply minimize all of your backgrounds app. Now you can simply select the languages, check I accept the agreement, click next another time, create a desktop shortcut, click next and install. After completing installation, we're going to click on finish, and it is going to pop up with the app is rightly opened in front of you. You can simply see, so you can simply change the formats, the quality, and lots of things. It's a very useful app, and you can simply do it with your thumbnails too. So you can see the shortcuts comes in. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.